Hi guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with the video. Sorry, I'm a bit tired. It's 4 AM. Yeah, I'm giving you an update on the Volkswagen Lookers Blackburn. What happened since? So since putting up that video, the managers contacted me, and then we spoke, and he was all right over the phone. He's quite a nice guy. He's calming and stuff. So yeah, but I feel like he didn't understand the matter properly. Like he didn't take anything seriously. So yeah. So the first thing I'd like to say is you don't understand how serious it was, because the mechanic was committing fraud pretty much, because he didn't do any work. He didn't even do a diagnostic check, and he was trying to charge for it, which is fraud. Is that fraud, guys, or not? That is fraud, isn't it? Trying to charge you for something that they never carried out. Because my dashcams were fully recording, all the timestamps are there. It's not possible that he did that. Any Volkswagen technician will tell you the same. Any technician, any mechanic will tell you the same. It's not possible. It's just common sense. It's not possible to get it scanned in under 30 seconds, less than 20 seconds. It's not possible. So he never carried it out. And the manager did say that on the phone. He just looked at the lights on the dashboard, and then he tried to charge me for diagnostic, which was never carried out anyway. And then secondly, he was holding my keys hostage, which is essentially theft. And it's not just one key that I have on here. So he was holding 2 cars of mine hostage. So he was pretty much robbing 2 cars of me. I'll just show you my keys now. So I've got my Mercedes keys here and my Volkswagen keys. So that's my normal car, and this is my business car. So he's robbed essentially 2 cars when he was refusing to give my keys back. And then on top of that, he was committing fraud, and then being assertive. So yeah, and the manager didn't really take that on board, did they? And secondly, he definitely didn't take it very serious, because I'll show you actually, guys. I'll add into the video. But yeah, what happened, what I saw was basically, after our reviews, you got my bad review there, and then you got someone else who give a real bad review as well. It's a real one, because it's something, he has a different problem, and they've done the same thing basically. Something bad basically. And yeah, so the manager, he's got his name on there. I'll pop in the video now. This is the manager I spoke to. And look, the most recent review of the place is by the manager himself. First class service from a first class dealer. And then he replied to himself as well. What a gangster. So he's got his name on there, and he's put a fake review, 5-star review. He's the manager there. How can you give a review of your own place? It's not right, is it? He's trying to hide the bad reviews. And then straight away followed was a few more reviews from different accounts. Whether or not they're fake, I don't know, but they were made within minutes of each other. So there's high possibility that they are fake. So I don't know about that. But I'm just going to give what I 100% know about, which is the manager one. He's got his name on there and everything. And he's given a 5-star fake review. It's not right, is it? He's trying to hide instead of fixing the problems, he's trying to hide them. That's not how a manager should be. So yeah, hopefully they can learn from this. I have head of Lookers actually got in touch with me now, and I think they're looking into the matter. And Volkswagen, I've told them that they're looking into it, so they're backed off for now. If I'm not satisfied, I will take it back to Volkswagen. But yeah, that's not how a dealership should be dealing with anything. Because essentially I came for free check, because it's a visual problem. It's like this corner of this being broken. You can visually see it. That's why they gave me the free check over the phone. That's why the lady gave it, because you can physically see it. There's nothing needed for it. And the manager said there must have been miscommunication between the mechanic and the receptionist, whatever. and that they, what do you call it, he did apologize on behalf of the Lucas Blackburn. The manager did, not the mechanic, but I wasn't expecting anything. But yeah. Now reading online on the reviews, all of them come from the bad side of the mechanic side. So it's not a normal, it's definitely a problem there, but they're just brushing it over constantly. That's why you got constant 3-star reviews, and on Trustpilot you got 1-star reviews average, which is very bad. They should take pride in their work and fix it rather than doing all this. But what can I do? So yeah, I'm very disappointed, guys. But my original video will stay up because this is my update video. I'm keeping as evidence for Volkswagen, so they know who is the person. And so if any other public member has a problem, they can see that he has been brushed over and nothing's been done from the previous time. They'll have proof, evidence of it from this my video, if they have the same problem with the same guy. Because I feel like it's not the first time he's done this. So yeah. Also guys, this could have been a very serious matter, because I could have took it to the police if he was still kept on refusing to give my keys back. Because essentially he did rob my cars, because they're my only keys I have, so that's theft. And then secondly, there's the fraud on top. Could get him charged for that as well, because nothing was done, no work was done. You can't do that, can you? So yeah. And if that manager, not the manager, the receptionist, if the receptionist didn't stand up for me, he probably wouldn't have gave me the keys back. So yeah, thank you, the receptionist, you're a very good man. So yeah guys, I prefer, from now on I'm going to be using the Bolton branch, which is Inchscape I think they're called. They're much better, highly recommend them, so go check them out. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. I probably won't be using Volkswagen Lucas Blackburn anytime soon. I'll probably go to the Bolton branch, which is much better. They have nearly 5-star review max, and they're very friendly and everything, and I had no problem with them when I got my car fixed there, so I'm real happy with that. So Volkswagen Lucas Blackburn, you just lost out on service because it's just your work, you need to sort it out guys. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.